Yeah, so just to do a quick recap for those that are not around yesterday. So yesterday we used Gemini to generate ideas for our book cover. We then proceeded to Microsoft Copilot Designer. That's this. Proceeded to Microsoft called Designer. So where we just copied the prompt we had from Gemini, and we used it to generate images, book cover ideas, and these were the book covers we generated yesterday. We had so many this one. We also generated this lovely image of a young girl with ice cream, all from yesterday. So you can go to our YouTube channel, Triumph with Designs, to get a recap, or just write on our Instagram reels. You can see the recap. So today I'll be going straight to Canva. Canva. Yeah, we have so Canva. So for those that are new to Canva, you just go to canva.com. So when you're on canva.com, so the link, the site I'm currently on is canva.com. So how we'll be doing today. So today, what we'll be doing is that we'll be uploading one of our book covers into Canva. We'll pick one of the simple ones. We'll try to recreate it, and I'll also show you how you can know the fonts to use, the colors to use, and we'll just do a design. So we won't be doing. So that's all we'll be doing for today. So for those that are not familiar with Canva before now, so just go to canva.com. You create an account, is free. Yeah. So once you're on canva.com, so you would now you do create a design. So I don't like using the templates. So I will just create a design from scratch. Then I'll just, since we are creating a book cover, so simply put book cover. So book cover come in different sizes. They are A5, but let's just leave it as book cover. So once you click on that, you have your design page right here. So what I'll be doing next is to upload one of our designs from yesterday. So we can see uploads, uploads. So I'll go to upload a file. So it's in my download. So let me just quickly upload this. So I downloaded one of the books yesterday, one of the covers yesterday. So let me just upload two. So I already have the two books, one and two. So see what we have here. Two book covers, one and two. Now, what Copilot has helped us with is it has generated colors concept you can use. So from this you can see that the colors you can use is gold and or black to represent treasure. And we also have a book that is just plain, just with the text. Now, the aim of this class is to make design as simple as possible for anyone to do, so that you don't have to cram or memorize anything. So what you do next after you uploaded the book is to go to a feature called design. So once you are on design, you come to style. Now if you are using your device, your phone, so you can do this on your phone, just go to um, chrome.com You can go to Chrome, any of your browser, then come to canva.com. And go to any of your Canva, go to browser.com. For those that are just joining, I will do a recap also. Let's just follow through. So now, what Canva has done is that you can see combinations. It has shown you different color combinations you can have for whatever design you want to do. So you don't have to crack your head with colors combination. It has also a font set. So any font you want to use. So you don't have to crack your head, oh, I want to use this one. Or you don't have to be a designer that knows a lot of font names. So just is there already. So I came to design. I have styles. Under styles, I have color palettes and I have font sets. So the first thing I'll just quickly do is just to type the name of our book using text. So text, hard header. Then I'll type the title of our book is a woman to divide. For those that are just joining, welcome. Remember the book we had yesterday was A Woman to Divide the Plunder. That's the title of our book. So and this book is a real book, is available. We were opportunity to do the design. So you can get it on bit.ly/win download. You can get the book there. So now after putting this, a woman, now we're trying to recreate one of the designs. So I'm going to do the simple one first. Let me bring this again. Let's bring this. We're trying to recreate this one. We're trying to recreate this. Yeah, what we're trying to do. So I've typed out all the tests. So let me just uh, copy. Let me do this out. Mm, Plunder. Now, the reason why I did that, if you notice the original design, a woman divide plunder are bolding. So that's why I copied that out. Then to the other side, what I'm just doing to copy is just you can do Control C, Control V, or you just hold on to it. Then the other tests that are not bold are 2 and D. So 2 and D. So those are the two tests that are not bold. So you can have these two tests. So back to design. So you come to font sets. I'll just pick the first one. This. So see Canva does the magic. It has converted. Let me pick another one again so we'll see what happens. Let me pick this one. So this one will be very obvious. You can see the changes it's making to what I have. So let me tone this down a bit. So let me try it again. Let me make this smaller because they're the same size. That's why. Let me make this smaller now. So let's try it. So you can see now that there's a difference now. A woman to divide the plunder. So let me take this out of the way and bring this up. Enter, 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 enter. So this is where the design part comes in. But I'm going to take it really slow for us. So I'm just increasing this. No worry, this are recorded so you can always go back to it any day, anytime. So this is big and to, let me copy this again. Yeah, so we just have this. So we just created this very simple design. Yeah. So we have, you see, I've recreated what we have ahead here before just by using this a woman to divide the formula, just by using font sets and color pairings. So if you decide to add color to it, you just come to your elements, uh, shape. Don't worry, I'm going to do a recap. Shape. I just expanded this, so change the color to brown, black. Then I'll send it to go to position. I'll send it backwards. So we just have the colors. So that's very pretty simple. So this is for designers. So for non-designers that really want to just let's get this done and over with. So what you can do is that after creating a page and you've uploaded your design to Canva, remember uploading designs. So just come to apps, just apps down here and search for mockups, mockups. So the first one, mockups. So welcome everyone. Thank you for joining. Yeah. So that mockup. So there are so many mockups. So if you decide you want to put it on a phone, a smartphone. So let's do a smartphone first because when you have your book, you want to do maybe people to know that there's a digital copy rather, or a non-digital copy. So let me pick. You can pick any of the phones, anyone you show with. So let's pick maybe this one. This one is facing. Let me pick this one instead. This one is facing the audience. So I'll pick this. So we have it here. It's on our visuals. So this has been picked. So I'll quickly run through it so that we won't get lost. So after doing that, come to my uploads again. Then pick any of the covers. So let's say this. Then after picking, now you see the cover. The Let me zoom in a bit. You can see the cover is just. You can see the cover here. You can see the cover I'm carrying around. So just drop it inside there and wait. Just see the magic that comes up. Voila! Can you see the book inside? Notice the book is now in the phone. So you can just edit it further. Maybe make it a bit bigger. So let's say a little bigger. So you can see this part of the edit, this up part here, this part here. So apply changes, and you have your phone up and ready. This is how to do mockups. But if you want to do it, let's say you want to do it on a shirt or something. So let's go to back to mockups again. So there are so many other mockups. Let's say you want to put it on a woman reading the book, like this, for example. You have a woman reading the book. So I'll click on this. So we have the woman here. So let me move her to another page instead. So let me just duplicate. Let me just create another page and move her here. So if you seem not to get some of the things we are doing here or Canva usage, so you can still go to our YouTube channel, try with designs. We have some videos on basis on Canva, doing basic flyers, and so what I'm just doing now is just teaching you how to do mockups. After you've generated your book cover from using Gemini and Microsoft Pilot, now you are creating mockups. So uploads. So let me say I pick this other book, then drop it inside. Just drop it inside the cover. So you can see the book is now inside, and so but you notice that it's not properly placed, so you can still edit it. Edit. So when you come here, you can zoom out. You can make it a bit bigger. Um, so then remember to apply your changes. Apply changes. So you can see that it's as if she's reading the book. So um, let me just do a recap for those that are just joining very quickly. So what I did today was that I did two things. I did for designer parts. So after you generated your book, I want to recreate it. How you can recreate it without having an idea of maybe a font to use. That's what I did first, using designs styles. Then secondly, so let me do this because I think majority of people that we have here on the calls are not full designers. They just want to get something really done quickly, which we understand. So for designer, this is a very simple. If you want to do this too, very very simple. You can recreate it and add some touch, some of your touch, some touch you like to. Because as designers, you don't just use what you generated from AI. Just use it look like as it is. So you have to be creative also. Now for those that are not designers, just want to get their books out for publicity. So this is what you do. First, what I did was I came to canva.com. I'm trying to so after coming to canva.com, I went to this part of canva.com, this part, create designs. Can we see that? Create designs. Then I just typed in book cover, or just book. So you can see cover comes up. You add it to it. Yeah. Then you go to the next place so you have a blank page, a blank white page. The next page you go to is uploads. Uploads. Now, you must have downloaded one of the images generated yesterday, one of your book cover images generated yesterday from one of the book cover generated yesterday. You must have downloaded it. So once you've downloaded it so you upload it, click on it. Let's say this is it. Let me just upload another image, this one. Then open. You upload it. So once you are done uploading, you can see it's now here. So you click it and it comes to your page. So once you get to your page, now I want to create a mockup. So you go to the next thing you go to is apps. You go to apps. You go to apps. Then you search for mockups. You can see what I'm typing, mockups. So don't worry, we'll soon be up. So you click on the first one, this first one, mockups. You click on it. So once you are done with it, so you come to maybe you put on a smartphone and want to put it on a book, someone reading it. For example, you can click on this. There are so many options. So by the time you start practicing, you can explore. Then click on this. So once you are done clicking, you can see what happens. Look at what happens here. Check. You can see the book is now, it's as if she's reading it. But if you notice that it is not fully placed, so what you do is you come to edit. You can see edit here. So just click on fill, then you can do a little adjustment if need be. Yeah, once you are done, remember to apply your changes. Once you are done applying changes, yeah, you can see that. Look at what it's as if she's holding your book to read. So this is just to make it feel original to people that, oh, that this book is actually someone is reading it. So that's what the idea behind mockups. So that's it for today's class. So I would like to take